operating in Staffordshire, Derbyshire, Cheshire and Shropshire from our Stoke-on-Trent showroom and headquarters. Welcome to FARS, the name to trust when it comes to all things in the world of plastering. With decades of experience and an abundance of skill and craftsmanship, whether a commercial or domestic customer, no matter what you're looking for, from panel mouldings to arches and columns, from restoration to renovation, and so much more, FARS gets the job done. We also provide specialist finishes for microcement and polished plaster, all of which can be applied to virtually any surface, including walls, floors, ceilings and work surfaces, with outstanding results every time. Why not visit our showroom to see just some examples of what we can do? Alternatively, you can explore the website or call us to discuss your own personal requirements. FARS, the alternative to tiling and marble finishes.